Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Early Brainy. Today we learn CVC words, short story, a family words. Bob lives in her hut. Bob lives in a hut. Bob has a pup. He will run with the pup. Bob has a pup. He will run with the pup. It is fun to run in the sun. It is fun to run in the sun. Bob put the pup in the tub. Bob put the pup in the tub. He has a bun. He has a bun. He will cut the bun. He will cut the bun. The pup will run for the bun. The pup will run for the bun. Bob will sup with the pup. Bob will sup with the pup. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching. For more videos, subscribe my channel. Thank you.